What is up, guys? My name is VeggieTales Rain, and welcome back to Heavy Rain. I'm getting excited to jump back into the game because I don't even remember the last time I did it. I know it wasn't that long ago when we played. So, without further ado, let's jump into Heavy Rain. Because this rain's going to be pretty heavy, guys. It's going to be the heaviest of rain. I'm pretty sure I've made that joke before, and it was horrible the first time. And we are Madison. So yeah. She's like do 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 do, looking around everywhere, trying to figure things out. My name is Madison. Ethan just chopped his finger off to get more of the address.
That's affirmative, Lieutenant. We're in position. Perfect. Nobody moves until I give the signal. Is that clear?
That's loud.
We nail him as soon as he sets foot outside. Right, Lieutenant. Lucky that patrol spotted his car.
What's he doing in there?
Beats me. You're the profiler, right? I thought you were supposed to be right inside the killer's head.
Well, that's just it. What I know of Ethan Mars doesn't match the killer's psychological profile.
I know what the jury's gonna choose between your theories and concrete proof.
It's not Ethan.
What the fuck is that girl doing there? Mars comes out now, she's gonna be in trouble.
What do we do, Lieutenant? Want to get her out?
No, stand down.
Okay. Wait. How did she know where Ethan would be? That's my question.
She's going inside. Maybe she lives there. Well, it's just as well. We don't want anyone hanging around if Mars comes out.
Ethan, what happened? The police, they're out there. I think they're here to arrest you. We've got to find another way out.
Shit. What's he up to in there? Wait for a go on my word.
Is there any figure out a way to sneak him out of here or something?
I've got to search the hall. There's got to be another exit.
Maybe go upstairs? Oh wait. What about over here? Okay. Do I have to do this again? Huh. Well, I did that. What the heck? There we go. Let's do it again. Okay. So we're gonna go out that window, I'm guessing.
Shit! It's too high.
Grab this crate. Triangle.
Ready on my go.
No.
Stay here, Jaden.
Out of the question. I'm coming with you.
2 men at the door, hold your positions. It's a go.
Uh-oh. Hurry. There we go.
Come on, let's go this way.
Come on, Ethan. Let's get out of here. I don't want you getting arrested, bro. I hope you do a stream for this game in the future. Are we gone? Check the upstairs.
Hey, you, don't move! I'll shoot!
Come on, quick.
Run.
I can't. Hands in the air! Oh, shit.
Come on.
Lieutenant, there's a man and a woman exiting the alley.
A woman? Shit! It's that girl who went in! Everybody downstairs! They're in the alley! Follow them!
Down to the subway.
The subway.
Alright, let's go. Let's Frogger this. Okay, they don't notice us. That's good. Because I do not believe it is Ethan. I'm not listening because I've played this before, but I do not believe it was Ethan. So, it's not Ethan. Okay, let's go. Let's get through all these people. Oh no. Yeah.
Ethan, what's the matter? We've got to keep going.
We're having a panic attack.
Ethan, they're coming.
Come on, let's go. Move. How do I... Oh. That was a close one.
Hey!
Goddamn, about where you going, motherfucker!
Ow!
That was a close
Hey,
one.
watch it, man! Police! Stop or I'll shoot!
Quick! Ethan, quick! It's gonna hit us!
Oh no. It's gonna be that last minute. Called it.
We've got to get on that train, Ethan. It's our only chance.
There we go. Boom, baby, we did it. We escaped. Even though there's really, in my opinion, there's no reason for Ethan to need to escape because I don't think he did it. And just because the blackouts does make him seem a little suspicious, but it still doesn't make me think it was him. Okay, what now?
Less than an hour ago, we heard from the police who have identified the man thought to be the origami killer. Ethan Mars, father of the kidnapped victim Sean Mars, is on the run and should be considered armed and dangerous. A police manhunt is now underway, and they hope that they will soon be able to announce the apprehension of this dangerous lunatic.
He's not a lunatic. That's it.
I brought some food. I didn't know what you liked, so I brought some of everything. I hope that's okay.
Okay,
You followed me.
I wanted to know. You're all over the news reports, Ethan. Every cop in the country will be hunting you. They say you're the origami killer. Is it true?
no.
Are you the killer, Ethan?
No.
Please, Madison, don't ask any more questions. The less you know.
That's for me to decide. What have they got on you, Ethan? What have you done?
Not the origami killer. If he was the origami killer, why would he be trying to risk his own life to save his son? Well, the blackouts could. People could have done it during his blackouts. But I don't believe that.
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times where I don't know what I'm doing.
Interesting.
As if I'm someone completely different.
Interesting.
The only thing I remember afterwards is the bodies. The bodies in the water.
See, that makes him seem
Why are
suspicious.
you hurt, Ethan? Why were you in that apartment?
I think my other self is testing me, testing my love for Sean. He wants to know if I love my son enough to save him. That means there's some part of me that knows where Sean is. But the only way to find him is to go through these trials.
I don't believe it's you.
Why can't you tell that to the police?
They don't believe that.
And tell them what? That I'm a schizophrenic who drowns his victims and has kidnapped his own son? They'd never let me go, and I have to stay free to save Sean. I have no choice. I'm his only chance. When Sean is out of danger, I'll turn myself in, but not until then.
Whoa. That took a turn I wasn't expecting.
You can't keep going like this. You're destroying yourself, Ethan.
Finding Sean is the only thing that matters.
There has to be another way.
I agree.
You don't understand. Time is running out. Sean will be dead in a few hours. I have no choice.
Dang, Ethan.
Please, Madison, leave. Forget everything that's happened. There is nothing more you can do for me. If you want to help me, leave. Leave me to do this on my own.
Wow. See, if this was me, I've been needing as much help as I could get to find my son. And I don't want to be accused of kidnapping my own son. But even Ethan believes he did it. But I am 110% certain it's not Ethan, and that's not just because I played this before, like I said earlier. I'm 100% certain it's not him. I guess we're gonna get to open the box and see what the next trial is. How do I know which one to open? Are you prepared to kill someone to save your son? Oh my goodness. See, the other trials aren't as bad as this one. Other one was drive a car crazily, go chop my finger off, crawl through glass and electricity. That's just... I'm a master. I hit X.
Your vodka, sir.
Thanks.
You look preoccupied, if you don't mind my saying so. Problems with the investigation?
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's
No.
true. But it just doesn't make sense.
I agree.
His psychological profile doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocalization. I can't see this father drowning 8 victims before kidnapping his own kid. Mars is not the origami killer.
I agree.
I'd stake my life on it.
Then who is?
I haven't the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
That's just what I was thinking of doing.
All right.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous. Very
This guy reminds
dangerous.
me of Alfred.
I'm trying to keep a handle on it, but that's difficult. It gets more and more difficult.
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful.
Understandable.
That would be most unfortunate, sir.
Okay, then. This conversation took a turn I was not expecting, but okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Evidence time. Wait, this isn't the office I chose. I want my underwater environment. There we are. I like my underwater one. Alright. Okay, clues.
Well. Looks like there's something new. The video recording from near the park on the afternoon Sean Mars disappeared. I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know.
Can we watch it? Analyze.
$1,583 vehicles identified. That's not going to help me find the killer's car. Maybe if I cross-check it against another clue.
What about the... Okay. Hey, that's it.
The killer's car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
Okay. Wait, can we use that for this?
A Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park, when in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared. Could it be the killer's car?
Probably is. But you never know. Might not have enough evidence to concur. Oh, did I just say concur? Yeah, origami figure.
No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
We've already analyzed the orchid.
Pity we can't see the driver's face.
Let's analyze it.
The car was stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped. Not enough evidence.
Alright. No, not all we need from that. Let's check the files. Okay, okay, it's just the same thing. Can we analyze it?
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found. And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure that's it. Is there something I'm missing the clues? That I need to analyze a little more? Oh! The driver license. I didn't see that.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack, involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car.
Well.
It's a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
Okay, that's what we'll do. Okay. Uh-oh. This isn't good.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Shit, it's coming. Trypticane. The tube is on the bedside table. All I need is to take some, and the pain will go away.
No.
I should resist. This is gonna kill me. I know I can resist. I just need to stay in control and do something until it goes away.
Yes. Go wet our face. Drink some toilet water. You're like The Walking Dead, dude. No, don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. No! Oh, dang it. I was trying to avoid him taking that. And I know it could be done. I've done it before. Dang it. Hey, back to Scott and Shelby. Oh. Gosh, I messed up. So far on this video, we've played as everyone. Who haven't played as Scott Shelby yet, but now we're playing as him. Oh. This place looks interesting. This is a bunch of clocks and typewriter.
Manfred! Manfred! Anybody home?
Hello there.
Hi there, Manfred.
Who is it?
Scott. Scott Shelby. Do you remember me?
Scott?
This is Scott! Oh, yes, of course. Well,
good to see you. How long has it been?
Oh, about 10 years, I guess.
Oh, at my age, time means nothing anymore. I repair clocks, but I try to forget about time. How about you?
Understandable.
Are you still with the police?
Oh, no, I quit. I'm a private investigator now. This is Lauren. She's a friend.
Hello.
Oh, hello, young lady. Well, this calls for a celebration. Just the thing. Wait there. I'm sure I saw a bottle of scotch around here somewhere.
Nice to see Manfred again. Just like...
Do an old man a favor, would you, Scott? Tell him to call back this afternoon.
Sure, no problem. Hello? Yeah, this is Manfred's. He's not available right now. Could you call back later this afternoon? Thanks.
Okay, where you at, Manfred?
Well, to old friends.
There we go.
I'd like you to have a look at an envelope. I thought maybe you could tell me about the typewriter that was used to type the address on it.
Oh, let's have a look. Could you pass me the magnifying glass from behind the counter,
Oh, sure,
please?
I'll get it.
My eyes are beginning to fail me.
It's not giving me an option to pick up anything in here. Is it like back here? I was just there. It didn't give me an option to pick up anything in here. Here you go.
Thanks. Well, let's see what this envelope has to say for itself.
Nice
The
watch,
Royal
dude.
5. Yes, the shape of the T's and the F's is typical of that model. Produced between 1907 and 1924.
Alrighty.
Yes. No doubt about it. It's a Royal 5.
Are there many places around that could prepare one of these?
I bought the company's entire stock of spare parts for a song in '64. Well, they were going to take them to the dumpster, so I got the lot. No, anybody around here who has one that actually works has been to see me at one time or another.
Alright.
Do you keep a record of all your clients?
Oh, yes, indeed. Well, at least the ones who pay.
Any chance I could get a peek at that?
Well, yes, of course. I keep my account books in the office. If you're not in a hurry, I have a list of all the clients who ever bought a Royal 5 or had one repaired.
Yeah, that would really help us out.
Alright, let's get
Delighted to
that,
Give me 2 minutes, and I'll be right back with the list.
Alright.
You think the killer's been here?
If he has a 1920s typewriter, he may have needed Manfred's services to get it fixed. We'll know when we get the list.
It's a little music box. Let's go check in on Manfred.
Hello?
Manfred!
Hello? Your call is logged, sir. A police car will be there in a few minutes. I need to know who you are, sir. Sir? Hello?
Wow, this is odd.
Oh my God. He's dead. Oh, God.
You don't seem like you really care, dude. If that was me, I'd be much more shocked. Wait, should I try to find the book still? I know it's...
Scott? Oh my God.
What are you doing?
I'm calling the police.
The killer has already called the police. I think he wants us to be his scapegoats. We've got to get the hell out of here.
What do you mean? We have nothing to do with his death. We were just here when it happened.
Look, we're running out of time to find Sean Mars. The last thing we need is 24 hours in a police station explaining this whole thing.
Well, so what do we do?
I don't know. I ain't smart. I'm dumb.
Watch the front door. I'll get rid of our fingerprints from everything we touched since we came in. We better work fast. The police are going to be here any minute.
Alright.
What are you doing, Lord? If someone comes in, we're going to be in trouble.
These are Manfred's account books. He must have been looking for owners of royals when he was killed.
Forget it. We got to get out of here fast.
Hey, the phone. We touched the phone. Did we touch anything over on his desk? No, we didn't. What about over here? Did we touch anything over here? Okay. Circle, 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 circle. Wait, we didn't touch both of the shot glasses. We didn't even touch the bottle. What the heck? But whatever. Didn't we only touch the handle? And she touched this music box over here. And I touched the other phone.
Scott, are you gonna be much longer? The police will be here any second.
I'm almost finished.
I think that's everything.
That's it. We're done.
You get all the prints?
I got what I got. It should be enough to prevent them from finding us. Come on, let's go.
Our prints are on the door, aren't they? Prints are on the door, aren't they?
So, you claim the victim was killed while you were in his shop, correct?
Yes, he went to get something in his office. A few minutes later, I went in to see if he was okay. That's when I found him.
You should have called the police immediately, Mr. Shelby. Would have saved us dragging your ass down here.
Listen, we had nothing to do with his murder. We were only there by coincidence. I just wanted to spare myself a few hours declaring I didn't see anything to a police officer.
PI or not, Mr. Shelby, don't leave town. And if you end up next door to any more dead bodies, remember to call us. Okay?
Whatever.
Well, well, Scott Shelby.
Who's that?
You in trouble again?
Blake?
Wrong time, wrong place. You know what it's like.
You know each other?
Don't sweat it. I'll take care of it. For old time's sake.
Thanks, Carter. I owe you one.
Are you on to anything at the moment?
Well, I got some ideas. Nothing concrete.
Well, if it goes beyond the idea stage, you'd tell me about it, wouldn't you, Scott?
I don't know.
Sure.
Okay. Since his reaction to Manfred's death, he seems very
I'm taking you home.
suspicious.
This is getting way too dangerous.
No way. We're partners, remember? We had a deal.
Reason.
Listen, Lauren, I know you want to find the killer, but you're not helping me by putting yourself in danger.
I'm not a child. I know what I have to do. I want to find my son's killer. You're not going to stop me.
Cold.
Well, then you can find him without me. I refuse to be responsible for anything that goes wrong.
That came out wrong.
Stop the car.
What?
Stop the fucking car!
Whoa, girl, calm down. What is wrong with you? You're gonna get us both killed.
If you're not going to help me find the bastard who killed my Johnny, I'll do it on my own.
Well, I am trying to find it, but I really don't want to. He doesn't want to jeopardize.
It's all my fault. I should never have let her come with me. Such an idiot. I better catch up with her. I can't just leave her like that. She'd do anything to find the guy who killed her son.
Yeah, true.
Crap, I have no choice. I guess I'm doing this to protect her.
I'm not gonna lie, something does seem very
This girl's
odd
stubborn as
about
a mule. She don't let up, with or without me. Laura!
Gosh, every time the rain comes on, it worries me because that means like it's getting deeper for Sean and more possibility of him drowning.
I miss him. I miss him so much. I'd do anything to hold him once again in my arms.
Which one said sorry?
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have talked to you like that. It's just that I wouldn't want to see you get hurt.
Okay, this is making me start to retract what I said earlier about him seeing he does seem still a bit tiny suspicious, but there's still some stuff that makes me, I don't know, he does seem suspicious, but he does seem like he actually has a heart. But I'm not even certain what to think about him, and I'm not just saying that because I've played this before. because he's just a confusing character in the game because the way he talks, the way his voice sounds, the way he acts is just so confusing. I was about to wrap that up there, but I guess I'll continue on to do this part because I don't want to wait till the next one to do this. Okay. You're going to kill someone and you're knocking on their door.
Yeah? What do you want? Oh, fuck it. I said 1,000 times that I don't want any junkies at my door. If you want to score, man, you gotta fucking call first. Come on. Hey. Take it easy, man, huh? Keep cool. What do you want? Dope?
No.
Money?
No.
Tell me what you need. I'm sure we can make a deal, huh? God, I'm gonna blow your brains out, you son of a bitch! Eesh. You think you can come into my house and steal my dope? You're gonna be shooting up in hell, motherfucker!
I'm not here for your stupid dope.
Oh, man, will you stop fucking moving?
I'm here to actually kill you.
Nowhere to hide, junkie asshole!
Because I don't care for stupid drugs. Drugs are bad. All you gotta do is keep him running until he runs out of ammo.
Hold it, man. I give you whatever you want. Got dope? I got cash? You want some dope?
No.
Please. Please don't kill me, man. I got children. These my girls, see? This one's Sarah. And the little one, that's Cindy.
Okay.
Please, man. I want to see them again. Please. Please don't shoot.
Oh man, we're gonna get a decision here. We gotta get the next part of the address, but I don't want to kill anybody.
I'm a father too, but I have no choice.
I can't believe I just did that. I feel so bad. Couldn't we just like talk to him and said, hey, pretend I shot you. Pretend I killed you. Man, I feel bad. This guy's kids. The next clue was in the gun. We could have figured that out. So, Ethan may not be the origami killer, but he is a murderer. Sean. Gosh, if I did that. I'm gonna guess there's 2 trials left, probably. That's what it seems like. 2 or maybe 1 trial left. I can't believe I did that. I feel so bad. Like, horrible. Oh, don't let me feel even worse. I kind of regret that decision. I'm trying to save Sean. Gosh, that was crazy. Gosh, I can't believe what I just did. That went way out of proportion. Well, guys, we're going to leave that off there. Gosh, I can't believe what just happened. So, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please tap the like button down below. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. Link my Twitter, Instagram, and DeviantArt will all link that in the description below. Did I say my intro right at the beginning? Did I say what is up, guys, or what is up, my veggies? I think I messed up. Because I do mess up and forget the thing sometimes. So, link my Twitter, Instagram, and all that's in the description below. And do not forget to hit that notification button so you know when I upload videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.